Good morning. Today we're going to start chapter 2, socially responsible marketing. Hopefully you guys have shared your evolution of marketing projects with each other and turned in a shareable link so that I can see it as well. So right here, make sure you turn in evolution of marketing. Go ahead and open up chapter 2 notes and move them into Notability or a Google Doc, wherever you like to keep notes. And I am going to go ahead and get started. All right, so chapter 2, we're going to talk about the impact of marketing today, the criticisms of marketing, so what consumers think, why marketing is bad, basically, and then how companies can increase their social responsibility. So today we're going to talk about how marketing affects businesses again, describe how marketing affects individuals, and ways that society actually benefits from marketing. Okay, so marketing affects business. It is a very critical business function. It is responsible for activities that lead to the exchange of businesses' products and services for consumer money, obviously. So it has a key role in distributing products and services, financing, so the pricing, and then obviously the big piece of marketing that we always associate with is the promotional piece, so the advertising. Marketing is also used to identify and understand customers by doing market research. Um, we do market research with different marketing information systems, gathering data on customers. Businesses can also carefully develop products and services that meet the needs of our customers, all by using marketing. Marketing also plays a huge role in customer satisfaction, right? Think of the last time you weren't happy with a product or happy with a company, or you went somewhere to eat and you were like, oh, this is terrible, right? So marketing maybe enticed you to go there, but marketing can help businesses make better decisions about what to sell and how to sell it. When customers' wants and needs are met, they're more likely to become a loyal customer, meaning that they continue to purchase from that business instead of purchasing just one time, which businesses like. They like customers that keep coming back. Marketing also helps people. So it improves the exchanges that occur between business and consumers. It helps make sure there's a convenient location, adequate supply and stock of different products, prices are affordable, store employees are able to answer questions. Okay, it also helps make sure good products are at a lower cost. So evaluating consumers' likes and dislikes, what their unmet needs are, what kind of improvements can we make to products and services in order to create a new product or to develop a already created product, making sure that we have several products that are able to satisfy needs and wants. Anytime we have higher sales, that means we have a very efficient product, which then increases revenue for a business. It can help enhance social interaction. I mean, just look at social media, right? And the role that marketing plays in social media, right? It can be funny, it can shed light on really important topics. Okay, marketing can also lead to other opportunities, not just in the business world. Okay, it creates several employment opportunities, whether you're a salesperson, maybe you work in customer service, maybe you work in a warehouse, inventory specialist, maybe you're on the research side and you're doing market research. It can also create skills that are valuable outside the workforce. So just being able to accomplish a goal. Maybe you're wanting to run for a political office, knowing how to market yourself, or even prepare for a job or college, organizing a fundraising activity, starting and running your own business. Marketing is in all facets of life. Marketing benefits society as a whole also. It makes sure that there are new and better products, right? If we were still living in the 1960s with those sort of products, that probably wouldn't be very efficient. So for example, the automobile industry, think of when the first Model T was built to compare to what we have today. So the efficiency of vehicle have improved, the safety features, okay, the environmental friendly piece of automobiles have improved. So making sure that we have new and better products It also helps to educate our customers to make better purchasing decisions. It helps improve standard of living based on products and services available to consumers, the amount of resources that we have to obtain those products and services. It brings awareness to very important issues, sheds light on those maybe more social topics. And then it also helps improve international trades, the sale of products and services to people in other countries. Marketers help determine where those products can be sold, how to sell them. Maybe we have to take a different business angle depending on what country we're in. We have different monetary systems, different buying practices. Maybe we have to take a different method of shipping, receiving, and handling. We have that customer service piece, being able to help customers in a different country. And then promotional methods also have to be catered toward the cultural that we're in as a business. So to sum it up, there's several benefits of marketing that we talked about today. For your assignment today in Canvas, you are going to tell me why you think marketing is important. So I do give you an article if you would like to read it, but you can also use your notes. I would really encourage you to read this article and then just give me, I don't know, a paragraph or two about why you personally think marketing is so important. Tomorrow on your virtual day, I would like you to do a little research on marketing and social media. It is a discussion post. So I'm sure you guys all use social media, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. Okay. You are going to find me an actual advertisement for a company, analyze it a little bit, and then share it with us. All right. Again, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me, either Zoom or email. Thank you. Have a good day.